Hello, hello, and welcome back to Planning with a Purpose. I just completed a sticker haul, so I hope that you were able to check that out. It was with three sticker or Etsy shops, three Etsy shops. One I've used before, which is Sammy Doodle Designs. The other one was Her Courage to Plan. And today I am going to do my ERIN CONDREN November dashboard, and I'm using the Bottled Honey Designs, a kit that I purchased. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, let's go ahead and put this down. The stickers are really nice, and this has pumpkins on it and corn, and then everything is lined, which is super nice. Okay, let's make sure we get them right on the lines. Oh. Hold on a minute, I'm having operator error. All right, there we go with that one. We go ahead and put the November right above it. Very, very cute. Okay. We're going to go ahead and put this down. Actually, let me try it this way. I want to make sure I get it straight. Yep. That is so cute. Very cute. Let's see, does that one fit on here? On there? I think this one fits here. Okay. And then this one will go right on here. Let me see. Oh, you know what? I need to cover this up. Hold on just 1 second. I have to white out that blue. I can see it. Okay, there we go. Let's put that down. And there we go. That is so cute. Look at how adorable that is. All right, so what I'm going to be using this for is, I asked the boys to give me a list of what they want for Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and make this the wish list. That way I can get started. Normally, you know, for the holidays, I get started in July when the kids were little. But as they've gotten older, because they don't know what they want, I just don't, you know, I don't do it that often. I mean, I don't do it that early. So I think this month it'll be fine, you know, this coming month. Let's see, for this one, trying to think, do we have a lot of birthdays? I think actually what I'll do is, we don't have that many birthdays for this month. So I'll use this one for the birthdays. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, and then this one, let's see, shopping list, grocery, health goals, family activities. Oh, actually, things to improve. Actually, let's see. Items I purchased, things I've learned, next month's goals, things to remember. Let's go ahead and do things to improve. I've learned that if you do a huge list, you start getting very overwhelmed by those lists. So if you do a short list, it's more obtainable. And then that way it makes you feel good about what you've done and you can move forward. So this will give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I want to list 8 things, I can. So things to improve, wish list, birthdays. And for this one, how about next month's goals or let's go back and write my accomplishments. So we'll use that right here. Oh, this is so darn cute. Okay, my accomplishments. And then I think for this one, I'd like to, I have this washi. It says thankful and grateful, and it kind of matches this. I think I want to use it right here. On the top. Let me get a cutter. Okay. And I think I want to put here things, things to remember or things I've learned. I'm going through a period where I'm reevaluating a lot of stuff. And let's see. I think I want to do things I've learned. I'd like to do that. And then just place it simply up here. Okay. And that is really cute. Let me see if I have anything in my books. Let's see this book. Let's check out my new book. If we have anything, any decorations to put down here. Actually, we could put like little pumpkins down here. Let's see what we have. We have these. Since we have the black scripts, these would be cute. But I love fall most of all. Autumn Skies and Pumpkin Pies, or hashtag pumpkin everything. And this says thankful and grateful. We could do thankful, grateful, and blessed. Actually, we could probably put something over here. Let's see what else we have. These are like wish list, or not wish list, like bucket list things. Same with this. Okay, let's see what we've got. I hope everybody's doing well. I can't believe October is over. Like, seriously, can you guys believe that? I just cannot get over how fast this month flew by. And you go into the stores, and the stores already have Christmas stuff. We haven't even gotten through Halloween, and they already have Christmas stuff. Oh, this would have been cute. Let's see. This is more stickers. Let's see in this one what we have here. Those are pretty. I'll have to do a layout with that. Let's see, let's see. This is cute. The fall. Or even putting Hello Pumpkin Season would be cute. But this fall really kind of matches that. Let's just look and see what else we have. Oh, Autumn Season. That's cute, but it doesn't match like the other one did. That's cute. These books are getting cuter and cuter. Whoever is designing these for the Happy Planner, I applaud them. Let's see, Fall Fun. I don't know if it's going to be way too big, but I think I want that fall one. Because it's still considered fall, right? And I know I've learned a lot of stuff, but I don't know that I've learned that much stuff. So let's just go ahead and put that down here. That is so cute. That's very, very cute. Do I want anything else? Let me see. No. I think that matches. I think it all matches pretty well. And let me see. I may want to put some little stickers here. Kind of like little bullet items. Let me see if I have some. I think this book has them. This is an old book. Let's see what we have. Actually, is it too much to add these leaves? Like this one? Yeah, maybe. Oh, here we go. We have like little orange stars. We have gold. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, that's it. So Do we think that's gonna match? See, this has gold in it, and this is rose gold. Maybe we could get away with some gold ones. Let's see. Let's just check it out and see. Okay. Things to improve. See, we don't even need to use 8 lines. We could just use 2 or 3. Okay. There we go. Maybe I'll move this guy up a little bit. Okay, there you go. That looks cute, doesn't it? And then for birthdays, I'm trying to think. My nephew, my father-in-law, but he's deceased, and one of my girlfriends. I think those are the only birthdays that I know of. Let's go ahead and put little hearts for that to indicate those. One for my nephew. And one for my girlfriend. All right. Then accomplishments I'll leave alone. And wish list, I'll leave that alone too. So this is what we've got. This is the ERIN CONDREN dashboard for November. I hope you guys like it. What do you think? Isn't it cute? I want to thank you so much for tuning in and watching and liking and subscribing to my channel. And please spread the word, share my videos with your friends, and I will see you soon. Thank you.